Still getting our rice. Okay, again. Before we go,
Jesus.
Before we go, checking first the multi-cap. Philip added oil.
Yeah, I had to put some oil in. We got a problem here. It's using oil really bad. Anyhow, let's get going.
Okay.
Thursday morning, and we're off to pick up some rice again.
We're going to the road. Nice, beautiful piece. It's high, a hilly land. Okay. Is this yours? Yes. We're back to the road again, guys. A morning schedule. More exercise on the road. It's a sweet kid. This is the shortcut driveway to the highway, but this is still Burgos. It's a quiet place and few houses here only. So this area you can see the very nice ocean view. Big bang. Oh, wow. Hi, Doogie. Okay. There is the water, guys. That's Talibon. What do you call this one? That is not port. irrigated. And irrigated. Wow, there is a huge pile right there. What are you doing?
Yesterday. Well, I'm gonna finish this one.
There's a nice pile there.
Yep.
Oh,
They did that yesterday, honey.
you should get that.
Well, we will.
No ending job, guys. Life is busy. You should go farming. Always busy. Every morning, every afternoon, and every evening. We're here now again. This is going to be, I'm not sure how many loads is this. What's
Number 14.
Oh my god. Number 14. So amazing.
Number 14.
Okay. Oh, I forgot again the bags. We're gonna have a hat again today. As you can see, the sky here. It's totally blue sky, but there are some parts are cloudy. But I doubt it's going to be a hat. Our forecast rain, forecast weather. No more rain. So I'm going to stop the video now, so I can have my daily. I'll just gather the hay there. So I'll be back, guys. Say good morning to everybody first.
Yeah, good morning, everybody.
Thank you.
She's got me working again.
Yeah, we both working here, guys. We'll be back later. Don't go away. Stay tuned. Okay, we're just done. Finished loading the rice hay. We'll get a gas. The station. We just done buying some gas.
Yeah, a lot of the bee hires are stopping here, picking up people going out of town.
So the traffic started here.
Wow, look at that. Nice little East places. Yeah, they had an automatic rice machine over here. An actual rice machine. You don't touch a thing.
When did you saw that?
Yesterday, when we were coming. They were doing, way back in there, they were doing some rice fields back there.
That's getting high-tech here.
Well, I don't think everybody's going to like it here too much. It's all these jobs for people.
Yeah.
And then they get paid in rice.
Yep.
You know? You just can't come in and take that away from everybody.
That's sad. What about the rice hay?
Well, it just spreads it all over the field as it cuts it.
Oh.
So there is no pile of rice hay.
So we can get a rice hay and make it. I hope not.
No, it just shoots it out the back, and so you got a thin layer of rice hay all along the field.
that side. If you're facing here from left side, here this side, that there is a Tarpaulin Beach and Barracuda Beach. There is a high school, a public high school there. Bounce, bounce, bounce. And here there's a elementary school. This is Santo Niño Barangay. That's elementary school. Every barangay here there is a school, elementary school. So in Burgos we have one, and where was that? In Tanghalige there is one elementary school. So many kids, lots of kids. And here, Tanghalige, there is elementary school here. That side. That is why during afternoon, around 4 o'clock, so many kids on the road. And this time is a little bit traffic because it is almost 7 o'clock in the morning. Back to school and to work again. That must be a thunderstorm. The clouds.
What?
Thunderstorm or not?
No, not at all. No, those are cumulus clouds and they're good for nothing but nice to look at.
Oh, you see that. So the thunderstorm, it forms like what? A dark or?
Oh yeah, they gotta be dark and they gotta be tall. Not big this way, just tall.
Yeah, because this one is white. So this is agoy kasakit.
That's what creates the thunder and the lightning.
So this is what we call cumulus clouds. There's a little bit of traffic here. Josephine. Oops. There's a lot of kids here waiting for the tricycle. Yeah, be careful. say goodbye. Thank you so much for watching my video. Uy, I missed the road.